This is Biotronix Cavitation 6-in-1 device. As you can see, this is how device looks like that. This is the touch screen of the device, and I'm just showing you the main screen. This is the 6-in-1 modality. So one is the cavitation, other is the vacuum bipolar RF, and there are three RF: tripolar RF, quadpolar RF, or 6-polar. You can say RF for body or RF for phase, and tripolar RF. And the last is a lipo laser. So there are 6 modalities. Total 3 RF, 1 cavitation, 1 vacuum bipolar, and 1 lipo laser. So this is the combination of device used in slimming, and these are this is the stand where all the props are placed, and this is the laser pad stand. You can see I have already placed the same, and now I will show you how this modality works and demo of the device. As you can see, the first one is the cavitation one. Cavitation is the ultrasonic waves, frequency 40 kilohertz, 40,000 hertz or 40 kilohertz you can say. This 40 kilohertz frequency, when passes through the fat globule molecules, it produces cavitation effect. It produces bubbles inside the fat globules. That bubble goes to the outer surface, and when the pressure of the bubble is quite high, it breaks the fat globule, and fat cells getting dispersed. So once the same get dispersed, the liver use the same as the source of energy source or get the same utilized. So this is the ultrasonic work, and this is the cavitation section, and this is the cavitation probe. You can see I have not removed the polythene from the same, but I will show you how the same operate, and with some demo with some water. As you can see, I am going to the cavitation section, and you can see there are 4 types of modes over there. Mode A, B, C, D. I am currently choosing mode A. And this is the timer section. You can increase or decrease the timer according to you. This is in the minutes. So 30 minutes is the pre-selected one. You can change the same. This is the intensity control bar from minimum to maximum. Now I will start the same work. You can see that probe has got activated, and timer has got started decreasing, and as soon as I will increase the intensity, I will get the output over here. As you can see, I am putting some water on the same to see the cavitation wave passing through the water, and water molecule will get activated, and you can see the demo of the same. As soon as I increase the intensity, you can see, you can hear that sound. Also, you can hear the change in the water molecules when the ultrasonic waves is getting passed on. I am increasing the intensity to full. See how the some water molecules are getting vaporized. Changing B. Change in the mode C. You can see. This is the mode. So you can see how the sonic waves getting passed from the water, and water is getting activated. So you have to place this probe to the patient body fat area. Cavitation will go to the cell, will produce cavitation effect in the cell, and break down the fat molecule. Fat globules will be broken down, and then it is converted into an energy. So this is how this cavitation works. And now I'm just stopping the same. I have to exit, and I'm just putting the water, putting the same again in the stand after using the same. Now I will show you the vacuum bipolar RF. This is the vacuum bipolar RF section. I have selected the same. This is the timer section. I can increase or decrease the same. And this is the power section output, vacuum section output, and this is the RF controller. As soon as I start the same, you can hear the vacuum motor getting started. I will fill the vacuum from here. At the back side of the same, there is a controller. Currently I have put the vacuum pressure at the lowest, and this is the RF. you can see I will feel the RF over here, and at this point I am feeling the heat of the same. I can't tolerate more than the same. So also from the back side, if I want to increase the vacuum pressure, I can increase the same too. I'm just showing you after taking the same. I'm just increasing the same from the knob at the back side. So currently this is the medium one. I have put the intensity from the back side at the medium one. I can increase the same also. So you can see the perfect vacuum output is coming with the RF one. You can see vacuum suction. I'm not putting my hand on the back side of the same, and this is completely attached to my hand. So I'm just stopping the same, putting the same back to the position, and exit the same. And these are the three RF radio frequency. Now the RF for tripolar RF, body RF for body, RF for phase. This is the tripolar one, as it has got 3 pole, 1, 2, 3. This is the 6 polar one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 4 polar, quad polar. So RF for body is the 6 polar one, and RF for phase is the quad polar one, and tripolar RF is this one. Same way I will increase or decrease the timer. I put the work button and I increase the intensity. You can see RF is coming out, and at this point I am feeling the heat of the RF too, and I can't tolerate more than that, so I am not increasing the same, and I am stopping the same. Likewise RF for the body, as I start increase the intensity, you can see the change. I am making the intensity to full, you can see the change. At this intensity RF is also coming, so I can't put the hand over there like that. I am decreasing the intensity, and then I will put the hand over. And stopping the same, exit. RF for phase, again I have to select a timer. Currently there is no output because I have not selected the work button. When I will select the work button, probe will be ready to produce. You can see the change over there. And now I will increase the intensity. You can see the quad polar RF for the phase. So I am stopping the same, exiting the same. The last section is the lipo laser section, and you can see these are the pads. These are the pads for the lipo laser. There are 6 big pads and 3 small pads. This is a small pad at the back side. You can see. So I am using that section. There are 4 modes in the lipo laser too. Mode A, B, C, D. So I am currently use the mode A. This is again the timer section. This is the display. This is the bigger pad. This is the smaller one, and I'm just pressing the work button. Now it's showing it's ready to produce the laser. So as soon as I will increase the intensity, I'm using the mode A. I'm increasing the intensity. You can see the laser pad has got activated. Now I am increasing the intensity. You can see the change in the laser pads. So you can see at the full maximum intensity, the laser pad is like that. And this is the mode A, and it is a continuous mode. So when I select the mode B, you can see it's a pulsating one, and you are getting the laser. These pads are actually placed on the fatty area of the patient, and they are getting tied with the strap set that is provided with the device itself. So this is the mode B. You can see the pulsating one. Mode C, you can see the pulsating one, but there is a change in the pulsation. And in the mode D, you will feel that mode. You can see it's a pulsating one, but different way it's pulsating the same. So this is the lipo laser, mode A, B, C, D. A is the continuous one, B, C, D is the pulsating one with different ways. So this is the complete demo of the device, and you can see the device looks like that, and it is the best device for the slimming center.